welcome back to my channel. I'm Pixie MUA, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get this witchy kind of demon-y kind of look. I just wanted to create something quite simple for you guys to follow along. I know not everyone obviously is going to be a makeup professional or expert, and I might want to do something different for Halloween, so this is a super simple look. Like, I can't reiterate how easy this look is, and anyone is going to be able to achieve it. You don't even have to do your lips like this, you could just do your lips normally. I'm really hoping that you guys are enjoying this Halloween series. This is the last one as it's Halloween today, so happy Halloween to you all. I hope whatever you're doing you have an extra spooky time. Is that weird to wish people like a happy Halloween? I know they do it in America, but yeah. I just really like Halloween, so I think tonight me and Lewis are going to watch a film. Probably going to watch The Nun because I haven't seen it yet. He hates scary movies, but whatever. If you would like to see how to get this simple witch look, then just keep on watching. So guys, I've already started with my base already on, so just my foundation and concealer, and I've used the Revlon Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation in F2 and the Supersize Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C1. Obviously you just use your foundation. You want to make the witch more pale and ghostly looking, then obviously go a couple of shades lighter. I can't get much lighter. I mean, I'm practically as white as a ghost anyway. So I mean, that's what people used to call me when I was younger, you know. So yeah. Now I'm using it to my advantage. So I'm going to start with some simple contouring, but I'm actually going to use like a grey shade. So I'm just going to take my Naked Smoky palette. You just obviously use whichever grey shade that you want, but this has got loads of greys in it anyway. So I'm going to go in with Password, just on an angled brush, and just contour where I normally would anyway. Doing it this way is just going to give my face a more sunken look. Okay, and that's it for contour for now. I'm not going to obviously use any blush, and I'm going to save the highlight for later because obviously, as you'll have seen in my intro how I did the makeup, it's going to be like black over most things, so I don't know where I'm going to highlight just yet, so I thought I would go that first. This look is super easy and super simple to do, so I think it will look quite effective, especially if you're new to makeup. I wanted to keep this really nice and simple but also quite glam at the same time. So what I'm going to do, take some tape. This is just clear washproof tape. It's just what you get in like a medical kit. I got mine from Wilko, but obviously you get from pharmacies or supermarkets or grocery stores or anything like that. And this is going to go along the top of my forehead. I'm just going to measure and then cut it, and then just tape this to my head in a straight line from where about I want the black to sort of begin. I'm holding it quite taut as I press it on because I don't want any sort of black shadow to get up. So I'm just going to zoom you in so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so now I'm just going to take a black, and you can go with any black that you like. I'm just going to go with one that I know is quite pigmented from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and obviously just the black here in the corner. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take that on like a dense fluffy brush and literally just start working it onto my face. I'm going to make it quite black across here, and then I'm going to fade it down. And I'm just tapping this on for now to sort of get the most out of the pigment. And obviously it doesn't matter about any fallout because it's going all the way down our face anyway. Okay, so now you've sort of got a look like this. I'm going to start now fading it down my face, and I'm also going to like bring bits longer and bits not quite so long. So you'll sort of see what I mean, but I'm going to start buffing it in. So I'm going to start with this brush, but I might actually switch to a more fluffy brush in a second. And then just on a clean brush, I am just going to use that to sort of blend around these parts here, just to make them a little bit more, oh, I'm not in focus. I don't think you can recognise me. Sorry, I'm not sure how much of that wasn't in focus, but I was saying that I'm just taking this clean fluffy brush here, just sort of blend a little bit better. Okay, and then to add a little bit more element of like glam, I'm going to actually pop some glitter on. Now this is a glitter by Shadow Moon Cosmetics in Hades. I love this glitter. It's literally just pure black. Now I'm not going to use an adhesive or anything because I just sort of want it to sort of fall where it lands, if that makes sense. So I don't know if you can see very well. It is it's just a lovely, really nice glitter. Pop some on the brush and I'm just literally starting to tap it on, and that's all I'm going to do with it, just tap it on. Okay, so you might not be able to see it loads, but I just wanted it to give that little bit of sparkle. So moment of truth, I'm just going to take this off. Hopefully it won't take off too much of my foundation underneath, but it should create just a nice line. Now that is so satisfying. Okay, and then I'm just gonna tightline my waterline and obviously the top of my eyes as well, and then just pop some mascara on because my eyes are getting a little bit lost. So for this I'm just using the NYX Kohl eyeliner. It is looking very tiny, I need a new one. And then the False Lash Effect mascara from Primark. Okay, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to draw a crucifix here on my forehead, but it's going to be like an upside down crucifix. Obviously skip that part if you want. If you're religious you might not want to do something like that, but for me personally I'm not religious, so yeah, it's something that I see on a lot of witchy type makeup anyway, so yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm just gonna use the NYX Epic Ink Liner, but obviously you just use whatever eyeliner suits you best. I do find though that these will work pretty well because obviously it's a felt tip, and yeah, it's just a bit easier to control. Okay, like so. You can make it as big or as little as you want. I have quite a small forehead, so I don't want to make it too big. Next I'm going to move on to lips, and that is the final thing that I'm doing in this look. Like I said, it's a really easy, simple look, but I think it looks really effective. So I am actually going to use my NYX liquid liner again for my lips. I just don't have a black liquid lipstick. I thought I had one, but I haven't. And yeah, I want me some black lips, so that's what I'm doing. Obviously you use a proper liquid lipstick. I just don't have one to hand, so let me just take my lip gloss off. I'm going to slightly overline my lips and sort of bring it out just ever so slightly into a point here. So as you can see, this look is super simple and super easy to achieve, and yeah, I would really love to see your recreation. So if you do recreate something, please don't forget to tag me on Instagram. It's just at Pixie. So yeah, I would love to see your recreations if you do decide to do this. Yeah, I guess this is the finished look. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed this look, and I really hope you enjoyed my Halloween series. Hope you enjoy the rest of Halloween, and if you are going out at the weekend like I am actually going out this weekend, so I'm still in Halloween spirit even on Saturday when we go out, and I cannot wait for my costume. However, I'm not going to say what it is. there will be pictures up on Instagram, so yeah, you need to follow my Instagram if you want to see what that is. Again, I just really hope you enjoyed this look. I hope you enjoyed the series. Sorry that I did miss one yesterday. Unfortunately, when I uploaded tonight's video, so tonight is Wednesday for me, Halloween's tomorrow, Thursday, when this video is going up, it just would not upload for me. I don't know what was going on, but I tried so hard and I was, ugh. But yeah, anyway, so that's gone up tonight. Thanks for watching, guys. I've really enjoyed doing this Halloween series. Next week I'll be back to my normal uploads on Tuesdays and Fridays. So if you're not already, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and press the notification bell and you'll be notified every time I upload. Also smash that huge thumbs up if you did enjoy this video. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye.